Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. We have a new parcel, and now let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
So we have a new parcel. Let's see what's inside. Curl lady. Okay, so actually for this, I don't really need this because I already have what the effect of this should normally do. Alright?
What?
But I was curious because I saw a lot of content creators, even other people at TikTok or Facebook that they use this. Even though this is Curl Lady, the box. Once we open, we have a pouch, and this is the item. We also have this. I don't know what it is. Let's see. It's a small pouch, and inside we have, what's inside? What's this? Okay, extra sheets, plastic sheets. Okay, so I think that we need to put this aside in case that we need this. And we have Curl Lady here, the manual. Alright, so as you may know, I already have some boobs, guys, but I was curious of what this product would give me. Okay, so actually right now, I'm already using a bra. Okay, as you may see here. And I don't usually use bra, but I was somewhere, I went to a fiesta, and I was invited, so I wanted to put some bra. Okay, and now talking, let's open the curly box. It's really padded, guys. Whew. I don't think that I'll be using this, I'm afraid. Okay, so I choose the cup D. Okay, and it's supposed to, it's like a nipple pad, although the nipple pad is just round or triangle, but this one, it's a nipple pad with a cushion. Okay, there's some padding, and it helps also boost the breast. Okay, so let me show you. There is two-sided, guys. This is the outer side and this is the inner side. Both sides are sticky, so this part is here. Put it like this, and it sticks to the body. And then we also have the other side here, which is also sticky, guys. And this part will be used to stick under the clothes. Okay, so let me show you. I already have my bra underneath. So the difference, as you may see, guys, from no padded or padded sticky bra, I don't know how to padded sticky padded cushion, I don't know what do you call this, without it, just my bra, and with my bra and the padded cushion. Okay, let's put the other side. It's supposed to be like this, I think, kind of this, and I'm not pretty sure how to put it, but it's supposed, I think, to be like the difference, guys, when I have the padded with a bra, guys. Okay, so it looks like this. And without, let me show you. So I'll be removing my bra. Okay, so right now I'm wearing a loose top. So I don't know. Let's try. Yeah, I don't know how to put it, guys. It's kind of... Maybe I should put this more on like this. Yeah, I don't know. It don't looks really natural, guys. Okay, so this is without and this is with. So about this, I don't know. Maybe I will use another top for the demo, because with this one, I don't think that it's working. So this is the first item. And of course, after removing, there's no sticky thing, or my boobs are not sticky anymore. So this is the first item that we have. I was just curious again. I'm satisfied with what I have, guys. But yeah, you know, curiosity don't kill people. I mean, sometimes though. And second item. So second item, we have embrace yourself. Embrace your healthy. So it's also from Hattie Diary. And okay, so this, guys, is a bodysuit. Alright, so this bodysuit from Hattie Diary is in black and it's in medium size. So let's try. This bodysuits, guys, suppose or gives you a smaller waist. Although, guys, as you may see, okay, let me show you. Okay, this is my short. I already lose some weight, guys, so it's kind of loose already, as you may see. And this is also a little bit loose, but let me show you my waist. Okay, so this is my waist, guys. As you may see, ever since my waist is small, okay? Even though I get bigger and bigger or fat, my waist here is still small. Even though when I was pregnant with my kids and have a big belly. But yeah, now we have this and let's try this now. Alright, guys, so this is the bodysuit that we ordered. Okay, so it looks like this. Here's my waist. Okay, and here in the chest part, it's kind of a little bit pushing my boobs back, so it looks like my boobs are small here. But yeah, what if we put this? But the thing that I don't like is this part, because here it's kind of giving a thick, and yeah, I don't really like it. So yeah, again, I was also curious about this product. There's a lot of people who like this product, and yeah, I just wanted to try to have an opinion about it, personal opinion. And yeah, I think this is great. Yeah, it's, I don't know, it's high in my body. It's not too tight, not too loose, but here in this part of the breast part, it's kind of make me feel that my cocomelons are small. I don't know why. What do you think, guys? So yeah, that was it. Again, I were interested, just DM me so I can send you the link of the items where I bought it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.
Pagod na tayo'y mapangiti. Mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.